it's Michelle Newton here at the AOK Healing Centre. I just wanted to show you these brand new pendulums that have just arrived in, little angel pendulums, which are amazing for the angel lovers. Now, the beautiful thing about these is that the actual the silver chain disconnects, so you could actually wear this little angel with the point on the end as a pendant on your sterling silver chain, and then reconnect the chain and use it as a pendulum. So it's very, very beautiful, and they're beautiful quality. I just love them. Now the rose quartz, there's several archangels or angels that you could connect with using rose quartz. Mother Mary, of course, Queen of the Angels, you could use and call in her using rose quartz. The other angel that you could use would be Chamuel. And Archangel Chamuel is the angel of divine love, personal and global, and the patron angel of all who loves God. The other angel you could work with using rose quartz is Ariel, Master Manifester Ariel. She aids teachers, healers, and service providers. She protects the environment, and she's the patron angel of animals. So you'll see her with figurines of dogs and cats and things. So that's a couple of archangels. The other one, clear quartz. The colour white is associated with Archangel Metatron, so you could actually work with him. An amazing archangel. He's the angel of sacred geometry and numerology. He assists with manifestation again, also guides sensitive children, indigos, and crystal children. So there's a couple of uses for these beautiful pendulums. As I said, you can use them, take the chain off and then pop it on your own sterling silver chain and wear them as a pendant, or then put the chain back on and use as a pendulum, contacting those archangels that I suggested for those stones. So I only have the two in. They are absolutely beautiful. If one of them's yours and you can't get out here, give me a call on 0358 231544. Open 7 days a week, 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. and we'd love to assist you with one of these gorgeous pendulums, which I'm sure will not last long. So take care and have a beautiful day. Bye.